Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change icon shape into a TCL NxtPaper 10s. First of all, open your Play Store and in search find X icon changer application. I'll show you. This one. Need downloading and installing. I am already done this, so tap open. Now need close ads, maybe a few times. And in this menu, need choose your application, maybe Brawl Stars will be nice, so choose application. Now from the library of your icon, choose new icon, maybe this one. And now on the top right corner we got OK button, tap it. Now wait a second for generating new icon. Close ads, maybe a few times, so close. Now we got success message, so go to our home screen and find this icon here. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.